and hear this beautiful message. God has raised a man, one man in northern part of Nigeria. And this man, God will use him to bring unity in all federation of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He's Emir of Kano. The next government that is coming to take place in Federal Republic of Nigeria, we acknowledge him and acknowledge his position, and his position will bring unity in the country. He will emerge with other kings of all tribes. When I say all tribes in this country, and will unite the people like never before. God will use him in the favor of this nation, and this nation will be a light to other African nations in time to come. This is what the Lord is saying. And so shall it be. May God bless his people. In Jesus' name. Thank you. Celebrate more life.